In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you need to make toast. Toasters come in all different shapes and sizes, but they generally have the same settings. So this dial here determines how dark the toast is going to be. So obviously the lower numbers, the paler the toast. Personally, I like my toast well done, so I would probably set it to about 4.5 to 5. Okay? It's a good idea to ask the person how they like their toast. These are simply the levers that lower the toast into the toaster, and these will pop up when the toast is cooked. And these buttons here, specifically this one, is for frozen bread. So lots of our service users will have frozen bread because they don't eat much of it and it goes off quite quickly. So therefore, it's easy to just take a couple of slices out of the freezer each day. So for this, put the frozen bread in, set your dial, and also press the defrost button and your toast will come out well. Okay, so we're just going to take the bread out, like so. I'm going to do 2 slices. So this is nice thick white bread, and that goes directly into the toaster. And then just going to press the lever down and let the toaster do its work. Okay, so now our toast is ready and it's a nice colour. Just going to open up the butter, okay, and get a good amount of butter and spread. Try not to miss out the corners. Okay. So this is hot buttered toast. I would then, my preference would be to cut it into triangles. Some people might like the crusts taken away as well, and then arrange it nicely. For this one, I'm going to use strawberry jam. Some people like strawberry jam or raspberry jam or marmalade. So still butter the bread as before. Strawberry jam, which I'm basically just going to spread a nice amount of jam on the toast. Some people might prefer a thin layer. Okay, and then again, we're going to cut into a triangular shape and put nicely on the plate. So this is how we would serve toast.